The feeling of stepping onto a bike without having to perform a high kick over a metal bar is a small luxury that changes your whole morning. This new step-thru commuter is all about that effortless entry. It moves away from the aggressive hunched-over posture of mountain bikes. Instead, you get a relaxed, upright seat that keeps your back happy. The motor hidden in the rear hub is a total powerhouse. It delivers a punch that can propel you to speeds nearing 30 miles per hour. That is enough zip to leave cars behind when the light turns green. It feels less like a bicycle and more like a nimble city craft. The battery capacity is impressive for this price point. Even if you do not hit the maximum 60-mile range, you have plenty of juice for a long day of errands. The ride quality benefits from a front suspension fork that offers a significant amount of travel. When you hit a crack in the pavement or a patch of gravel, the bike handles it with a soft thud rather than a harsh vibration. The large tires provide a stable footprint that inspires confidence on corners. Now, we have to talk about the weight. This machine is a beast at 65 pounds. You will not be tossing this over your shoulder easily. Loading it into the back of a car requires a bit of muscle. If you have to navigate stairs, prepare for a workout. Another area where they save some money is the braking system. You get mechanical discs rather than the high-end hydraulic versions. They stop the bike well enough, but you might find yourself pulling the levers a bit harder during a sudden stop. What really sets this model apart is the visibility package. Most budget electric bikes treat lights as an afterthought. Here, you get a fully integrated system. The brake lights actually flare up when you slow down. There are even turn signals. Being able to signal your intent without taking your hands off the grips is a game changer for safety. It makes you feel much more visible to distracted drivers. When it comes to putting it together, the process is quite logical. You start by clearing a space and laying out all the parts. You secure the handlebars to the stem. You make sure the front wheel is locked in tight. Attaching the pedals is next. Just remember that the left pedal is reverse threaded. Once the seat is at the right height, you give everything a final once-over. Check the air in the tires. Tighten every bolt. Charging the battery is the final wave before the fun begins. Most riders are finding that the acceleration is the best part. It has a real kick when the pedal assist engages. It is a versatile choice for city streets or light trails. While the customer service for these direct brands can be a bit hit or miss, the value for the money is hard to ignore. You get a lot of features that usually cost hundreds more. It is a practical, powerful tool for anyone looking to ditch the car for their daily travels. The motor hums with a quiet confidence as you navigate the morning rush. It turns a sweaty chore into a genuine joy. Whether you are heading to work or just exploring a new park, the power is always there. It handles hills without breaking a sweat. You just sit back and enjoy the breeze. It is about reclaiming your time on the road. The design is clean and the finish looks premium. People will definitely ask you about it at the bike rack. It offers a sense of freedom that is hard to beat for the price. This bike proves you do not need to spend a fortune to get a capable, stylish ride that makes commuting actually fun.